Hello, here is your Monday morning or afternoon, as it were, instruction about the Bellringer. So hopefully you'll find this helpful. So I have given you the weekly packet and hopefully a list of the prepositional phrases or prepositions. If not, it's on the front of the packet as well. I just gave you a separate page so that you don't have to keep flipping back and forth. You can just look over here and look here. These are the prepositions that are being used in this packet. So I'm also changing the directions a bit. I do not want you to worry about the directions that are listed right here. I want you to follow these because with this, as it is now, it changes from day to day, and that gets confusing when it's different directions every day. So I'm just going to say for every day, box the preposition and underline the prepositional phrase. So what that looks like is I'm going to read the sentence, place the umbrella stand beside the door. Okay. Now, one key with prepositions is if you look at the word preposition, you've got the word position in there. And that's because many times the preposition tells you where something is happening or where something is. On this sentence, where is the umbrella being placed? It is being placed beside the door. Okay. And if I look over here, I can look and it is right here where it says beside. So we know that that's a preposition. I've double checked it. Now, you want to underline the word beside and then continue on until you get to a noun. Is the a noun? No, it is an article. Is door a noun? Well, usually most nouns you can touch them unless they're an idea noun. So a door, I can touch that. So it would be a noun. It's also the end of the sentence. So we underline beside, the, and door. Okay, the next one. Lean a little to the left. Where is it leaning? Oh, it's leaning to the left. Well, let's see. Is to a preposition? O, P, Q, R, S. Oh, look, there's to. You see it? Right there. That's to. So I know that I'm correct. So pretty much all of your answers are on this sheet. Okay, you're just cross-referencing between the two. Okay, so to the, that's an article. So left is going to be our noun. To the left. All right. Mom, may I go skating with Susie? Now this one doesn't tell us position, but let's look here and see if there is a word that's in this sentence and also over here. Look, with is here and with is here. So in this case, it's telling who I'm going with Susie. Got it? All right, now, you can get extra supplies from the stationery store. That should be store. Sorry, typo. Y'all, we type a lot of things. So from the stationery store. Okay, you can extra supplies from the stationery store. So think about it. Does this tell a position of where something is happening? Or where you're getting your stationery supplies? So we've got from. And again, if you look over here, from is on our list. The stationery. Now, stationery, that is fancy paper that you write letters on. Now, normally, stationery is something you can touch. But is this actually talking about stationery? You can get extra supplies from the stationery. Stationery is a paper. How can you get supplies from there? That's because it's talking about the stationery store. In this particular case, stationery is an adjective that's describing what kind of store. So this is an adjective. I don't want to end my phrase with the adjective. I want to end it with the noun. So I'm going to continue underlining there. Now, Eileen and Miranda have been best friends since third grade. Again, this one does not tell us position. A lot of times it does, but not 100% of the time. It does, however, give us other bits of information. Do you see a word here that is on in that sentence? Yes. The word since is on the list. Since third grade. Third is an adjective telling us which grade. Okay? So one of the things with this assignment is following directions. If you do not follow directions and do it this way with the box and the underline, then you're going to get it wrong. Also notice that if you get sloppy, I'll do it with pencil here. If you get sloppy and just kind of go like that, well, it's going to be wrong because you underlined friends. And friends is not part of the prepositional phrase. Okay? And the way I'm grading these is you either got all of these right and earned 10 points, or you got one or more wrong and you lost 10 points. I'm not grading them individually one by one by one. I'm just looking to see, do you have it all correct? And if you do, you get a check. Okay? So be careful and don't get sloppy in your underlining. This is very precise work. All right. So I trust that you can do the rest of these on your own. We're doing each one exercise each day. Have a good afternoon.